Hi, I'm Mike. I'm one of the EDM Applications Engineers here at Makino. I want to talk to you about the filters on the Makino Wire EDM systems. Our heat machine models have 4 filters located in the cabinet in the back. Each filter is independently fed by a plenum which evenly distributes the water through all filters. When we start a filter change, we'll press the air purge button. That will send air through the filters and purge out all the water. Once the filters are purged, we can disconnect our quick disconnects and remove our filters. After reconnecting your new filters, we'll return our cover door, and that's a filter change. So that's a brief overview of changing the filters on a Makino Wire EDM machine. Thank you very much.